Keeping viewers engaged and watching your videos is crucial for building a loyal audience. Here are some effective retention tips. 1. Hook your audience early. Start with a bang, capture attention within the first few seconds with an intriguing question, a surprising fact, or a compelling story. Clear and concise. Let viewers know what to expect from the video right away. 2. Maintain a good pace. Avoid long intros. Get to the point quickly to keep viewers interested. Edit ruthlessly. Cut out any unnecessary parts to keep the content engaging. 3. Use engaging thumbnails and titles. Eye-catching thumbnails. Use bright colors, clear images, and readable text. Compelling titles. Make sure your titles are intriguing and accurately reflect the content. 4. Add value educational content. Provide useful information that viewers can apply. Entertainment. Make your content enjoyable and fun to watch. 5. Create quality content, good production value. Invest in good lighting, sound, and video quality. Consistent branding. Maintain a consistent style and tone across your videos. 6. Engage with your audience. Call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Respond to comments. Show that you value viewer feedback and interaction. 7. Use analytics monitor. Watch time. Identify where viewers drop off and adjust your content accordingly. Experiment and adapt. Try different formats and styles to see what works best. 8. Create playlists, organize content, group related videos together to keep viewers watching more of your content. Autoplay. Enable autoplay to seamlessly transition viewers to the next video. 9. Tease future content cliffhangers. End with a teaser for the next video to keep viewers coming back. Regular schedule. Post consistently so viewers know when to expect new content. 10. Collaborate with others. Guest appearances. Feature other creators to bring in new audiences. Cross-promotion. Promote each other's content to expand your reach. By implementing these strategies, you can improve viewer retention and build a more engaged audience. Do you have any specific questions or need further details on any of these tips?